What up, YouTube? It's your boy Tiberius here, and I'm back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute. I keep doing it to myself, man. I keep doing it, but you know it's all love here, man, for y'all. I appreciate whoever's still watching, whatever the case may be. I've been dismotivated, brought down multiple times, man. Life's trial and error, but I keep pushing back, so it doesn't matter, man. Just stick with the process, stick with the dream. I want to thank all my supporters. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Any supporters that I have, anybody watching my videos and wants to grow with me and process everything with me, you know what I'm saying? So I can manifest the things that I want to manifest. That's first and foremost. I just want to get that out of the way. But without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see clearly from the title, it's called How to Stay Focused. You know what I'm saying? How to stay focused. That's the whole purpose of this video. I want to teach you guys, I want to give you guys about 6 steps that you guys can use to stay focused, because life is nothing but a journey, it's nothing but a battle, it's nothing but an obstacle for all of us to overcome. So I think the only way that we possibly can do this is basically having a rule book, having a ritual, having things that we can do steps by steps that we can do to make us stay on point, because we're going to be thrown, things are going to be thrown at us, man. So I want to give you guys the first 6 steps. Number 1, I would say, is get inspired with desire. Now, I believe anybody with a desire of inspiration from something in life that they want to do, they want to complete, whether it's becoming a millionaire or traveling the world or getting the job that they want or getting their degree or whatever it is that people want to do with their inspiration, they need that sort of inspiration that influences them to wanted to do it in the first place. So you want to infuse yourself, sink yourself, you know what I'm saying, drench yourself in inspiration that inspires you to do what you wanted to do in the beginning, because that will be the driving force to keep you, to push you to keep going and do what you need to do. So whether it is reading the books that you needed to read, watching the videos, listening to the audio, going out to the places that inspire you towards pushing towards what you need to do anything that it takes to revamp that brought you the feeling to want to stay focused on it on the first place, because your focus is going to keep you and keep you going where you need to go, because like I said, life is going to hit us a lot. Number 2, I'm going to say, is write down your goals. Now, me personally, I've had the same notebook for the last 5 years. I've been writing down all my goals, my dreams, my ambitions, everything, my personal pains, everything. I got me a journal that I write down every single thing that I wrote down in the last 5 years, to basically inspire myself to stay on point, to do what I gotta do and keep myself on point. So write down your goals, because something down, it becomes one thing from your thought to an actual physical thing on a piece of paper. And if you take the time out to look at your goals every single day, because it'll remind you of what you need to do, remind you of why you're doing what you're doing in the first place, and it's gonna make your mind, give your mind food to stay on point with what you're trying to complete. Because like I said, life will throw us off course with a lot of things. So that is number 2. Number 3, I'm gonna say, is keep track of your consistency. Now, under your goals, on the next page of your goals, what I would say to do is keep track of your consistency. Like they said, if you want to build a habit, you have to do something for 21 days straight. And like I said, I think 21 days is the minimum that will help you build good habits, because you can build good habits and break bad ones by doing something for 21 days consistently. Me personally, I've seen it work. I fixed my sleep schedule. You know what I'm saying? I've studied. I started cleaning more. I started a lot of things that I've done throughout the progress of my life. You know what I'm saying, my young life, or whatever the case may be. I've tried to apply this to certain things, and I'm only saying this from experience that it actually does work if you take out the time to believe that it'll actually work. So keep track of your consistency, because when you're actually keeping track of your consistency, you can see how good you're doing. You can see you progress, and it'll give you the motivation to keep going. So consistency, it'll tie into keeping you consistent and motivated. So that is number 3. Number 4, create a vision board. Now me, I haven't done it yet. I'll do it in another video if that's something you want me to do. Of course, you want to watch me, so you know what I'm saying. Comment down below and I'll make a vision board, because I have to do it anyway. So I appreciate the views anyway, because I'd rather take the views than anybody else. And so I'll create a vision board. You know what I'm saying. Get pictures You know what I'm saying? Get things that inspired you and put it up on your desk, put it up on your wall, put it up on anywhere that, like, as soon as you wake up, you can see it. Because at the end of the day, it's gonna keep you like, this is what I gotta stay on point with. You know what I'm saying? If something is consistently in your face every single day, you have but nothing to do but to focus on what you're trying to complete, no matter what. You know what I'm saying? And especially that ties in with your desires. When you get inspired and you're seeing what you need to see every single day, it doesn't stop you. Anything that comes down your path will not stop you and stuff like that. So it will really help you and help you become the person that you're trying to become in your life. So number 5, I would say on the list is create a daily routine or a morning ritual. Now, a daily routine or a morning ritual will keep you, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, everything that I'm saying to you is tying back into everything that goes from number 1 all the way up until the next number. Because if you're writing down your goals and you're creating a ritual and you're creating a consistency, when you're doing everything like this and you're getting inspired, if you're taking out that time, 21 days to keep making yourself stay inspired, the motivation will keep going. Everything that you're trying to do will stay in lane. Stay on point. Keep you in focus. Because at the end of the day, you got to remember something. Nobody's going to take care of you better than you can. Nobody's going to treat you better than you can. Nobody's going to love you better than you can. Bills still got to be paid. Dreams still got to be complete. The baby needs still need a new pair of shoes. Everything that is going to happen in your life, you still have responsibilities. You still got to keep pushing. So you always got to remember that when it comes down to these things. Because at the end of the day, no one's going to do what you need to do for you but you. So you always consistently have to remember that. So just try to remember that, because at the end of the day, you're the only person that can do it. Last but not least, I say number 6, and I could do a video on this as well, is to meditate your dreams daily. And like I said, every single thing that I say to you always manifests itself back into the previous steps, because at the end of the day, if you apply every single one of these into each other every single day for 21 days straight, and then start over every single 21 days straight until it becomes a 30-day challenge, a 60-day challenge, 120-day challenge. Every time you keep restarting this process or keep pushing this process or whatever the case may be, it'll help you. But like I said, you want to meditate. If you don't know how to meditate or whatever the case may be, I can do a video on that. I meditate all the time. I study, my brother got me into crystals and energy and vibration. I've also been learning about sexual transmutation and, the transfers of energies and certain things like that can help you, understand why you're going through what you're going through. If you're having a hard time, if you're around a bunch of negative people, you can become negative. If you're around a bunch of positive people, you can become positive. It all depends on your influence and who you are as a person. So once you start to open your eyes and realize who you are and be conscious of what's around you and your energy is surrounded around you, and it transmutes into your body whatever the world is pushing out or whatever you decide to push out. And energy can be destroyed, it only can be transferred or transformed. So always remember that. You can take negative energy to make it into something positive. I've personally tried it myself, and it's worked wonders. You know what I'm saying? I took something that brought me down and turned it into something happy, and I'm shocked. I've seen a shockwave, you know what I'm saying, of what I need to do. And the power of positive thinking can really change that. I'll do a video on power of positive thinking as well, if that is something you want me to do, because I'm going to try to push a video 3 times a week. Sorry, YouTube. My camera ran out of space or whatever the case may be. But at the end of the day, at the end of the video, all I really wanted to say to you guys is just stay focused on your dreams. Stay focused on everything that you want to do with your life, because at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is you. You know what I'm saying? Everything that you want to do in your life is you. You can manifest and prosper anything in your life as long as you stay in the right lane.
Land of my rising suns, yeah. Land of my rising suns. They be thinking that they land of my rising suns. Land of my rising suns. They be thinking that they land of my rising suns, yeah. Land of my rising suns. They be thinking that they